If the ideas on this channel have shifted how people respond to you, but you're not sure how you could recreate it intentionally, this video is for you. Because there are two ways presence develops: accidentally or deliberately. Most professionals build presence by accident. They learn through trial and error, pick up behaviors after years of friction, adjust based on reactions, not intention. It works, eventually, but it's slow and fragile. Under pressure, people revert. The other path is deliberate installation. It's when presence is built systematically. Behaviors are chosen, not improvised. Authority doesn't disappear under stress. This isn't about motivation or confidence. It's about structure, the same way leadership works at scale. Most people stay accidental because deliberate presence feels uncomfortable. It removes over explaining, emotional smoothing, performing for approval. And without structure, people don't trust themselves to hold that line. So they fall back into old habits, not because they're incapable, but because the shift isn't stabilized. The difference between people who keep their presence and the people who lose it isn't talent, it's installation. When behaviors are installed deliberately, they don't feel effortful. They don't require constant awareness. They survive pressure, politics, and scrutiny. That's when leadership becomes quiet and permanent. Some people are happy letting this happen naturally. Others want it built deliberately, without guessing, overcorrecting, or self monitoring. For those people, I'm building something structured, not a course on confidence, not a set of speaking tips, a system for installing presence so it holds in rooms that matter. I'll share more when it's ready. If this channel helped, something clicked for you, you're already closer than you think. And if you want this to be deliberate instead of accidental, pay attention to what comes next. That's all.